Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, Miss Ree TV. It's your girl Miss Ree and I'm back with another video. Alright, so this is another Korea vlog, but this is more like a secret vlog that I'm doing, because this vlog isn't really based on me. It's more based on my LT. My LT is basically my boss, but like in real life he's basically like my big brother, because he's been looking out for me since day one. Like even before I started working for him, like he's been looking out for me. So this video is really dedicated to him because he's about to leave Korea in like less than 10 days, I think. Hey you guys, we're on the bus. We're finally on our way out. I've still got one battery left, but this is my new boss. It's my LT. It's my new LT. She's replacing my old LT. And yeah, she's gonna let me use her charger while we're on this bus so I can get good footage while we're snowboarding. I didn't want to snowboard, I wanted to ski, but all my soldiers, peer pressure, all my soldiers wanted to snowboard. I went skiing before, that's why I wanted to do it. All my soldiers, even her, they all said, no, let's snowboard. You've never snowboarded before, let's snowboard. So I got peer pressure into snowboarding. So if I bust my ass, if I got a broken foot or something tomorrow, you know why. It's because everybody in my shop wants to snowboard. But yeah, I'll let you guys know when we get there, okay? Oh shoot. Say hey to my vlog.
Hey!
You ready for this?
Hello. I am. I remember what I was gonna say. Act two. Born ready for this. Get that last part out.
We're gonna do battle blade teams. So stay with somebody the whole time, alright? If something happens, the point of contact is who is gonna be. It's gonna be Sakamoto. The secondary plan is first sergeant, or the tertiary plan of that would be Lieutenant Milligan. Everybody has my account, I'm pretty sure, alright? I'll be
Yeah. Never again.
Never again.
Never. I won't do it.
You're not gonna do it no more?
I've been skiing before. Skiing was so easy.
Snowboarding is harder than you think. It is hard.
I fell like 6 times.
I couldn't get up.
Oh my god, you guys, I ran into the fence. And my snowboard got stuck in the fence. And the people who are on that little buggy thing or whatever, you know, the carry that takes you to this up the slope, the lift, they all looking down like, are you okay? Like, do I look okay?
Everybody just staring at me because I'm just on the side, just sitting there, not even trying to get up.
We went down that hill one time.
One and done.
We still got we got another hour and a half.
It's quite an experience.
I can say I did it.
You say you did it, and you skied before, so.
Y'all couldn't pay me to snowboard again. I got so much respect for snowboarders.
And they really be doing it good. Yeah. Kudos to them.
She got a YouTube page, y'all.
My YouTube page, Rickina Le'Shaye. Make sure y'all go subscribe. Makeup videos, vlogs.
I'm gonna put her page in the comments. I mean, in the remark. You know, y'all know, I can't even talk.
The description box.
Yes. I'm so irritated. That snowboard made me so mad. If I would have to pay for this,
Right.
nope. Alright, y'all, we about to go. Gonna eat and wait for everybody else, basically.
Bye, y'all.
Action.
Hey, sir. We're gonna miss you. Thank you for everything you taught me. Learned a lot underneath you. You've been a really good OIC, one of the best I've ever had. Stay in touch, keep connected with us. We're gonna miss you here, so we'll definitely probably need you for some sort of actions or some shit. But say hi to the family, get home, enjoy yourself. Hope that plane ride doesn't suck too much. See you later, sir.
So, LT, it's a great time to see you for about 6 months. Like when I was private and just came here to 41st, you lead the way, by example, you're the best LT in S1, will be forever like that. Thank you, sir.
Y'all say bye.
Thank you. We're really gonna miss you. It's kind of weird that you're leaving. We've always been talking about it, but I didn't think the day would come so quickly. Thank you for everything that you taught us. You're awesome. Your presence will definitely be missed in the office, and I hope you the best for your next station and see your family. Love ya.
Lieutenant Milligan, we're gonna miss you. Don't leave. You're literally the best officer we'll ever come in contact with. Always looking out for us, always making us laugh. You really don't have to leave, you know. You don't have to. You can still change your mind. But you would really be missed. Facts. Facts. Until we meet again, we're Sergeant Majors. Say you miss him.
So I don't know why we doing video messages to you. We can't call you like you going somewhere far away or something.
He is. He's going across the country.
Sir, you have a good trip. You know what I'm saying? You was a good OIC. I learned a lot from you, and thank you for being there when I needed you. And good luck.
My kids, but I'm gonna shut up because but I really appreciate y'all and I really love y'all. And if y'all need anything, you always can reach out to me. All right.